Welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we are going to do something interesting. It's a spring DIY. So I was in the Dollar Tree today, and I was buying some stuff, and lo and behold, I had checked out like I always do and always see something else that I want to use. So I looked on the wall and I saw this, and I was like, a light bulb came on, ding 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 ding. I was like, Brittany, and that's my daughter's name, one of my daughter's name. I said, I can do da 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 with this. And she was like, Mom, you and your DIYs. I was like, I gotta get it. And I was like, it even has its own little hanging thing. So we are going to make a spring DIY with this little bunny. So if you want to see what we're going to make, just continue to watch. And guys, if I seem different, I'm sitting on my bed and I'm recording off my Microsoft Surface camera, so it can go straight into my editing software. And if this works, then this is probably how I'm going to start recording my videos, but I'll probably be in the room where the lighting is better. So wish me luck on this. So I talk to you real soon. Bye bye, guys. Okay fam, so we are going to work this out. So for this DIY, of course, you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree bunnies. You're going to need one of the Dollar Tree compact mirrors. This came in, it was also in the pack that has the handheld mirrors in it. So one of these. You're going to need a 8-inch Dollar Tree mirror. You're going to need, if you want some embellishments, I have that, and then I have some of my last pack of this filler, and I'm going to use my hieroglyphics. Wait, hold on, I got corrected. Hieroglyphic glitter, and possibly some Mod Podge, your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and maybe a paintbrush if you're going to use a Mod Podge. So once again, if you don't have this filler right here, you can make your own using Dollar Tree mirror, and it's really easy. And I might use this, but I'm not for sure. So we are going to make a double, bunny rabbit mirror display, wall mirror display. And this is not only good for spring. If you have a little girl's room that you have like animals and stuff on the wall, you can make this for that purpose as well. So the first thing that we're going to do, and you're going to need some scissors. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off right here, and I'm going to do the bow last. So you're going to take your bunny and you're going to flip it over. And I was going to take the mirror from the compact out, but I'm going to give it some stability with the black. So all I'm going to try to do is pop this apart, and without breaking both of the mirrors in there. Oh, that was easy. And so I'm going to use this side right here that has this on it, and I'm going to lay it like this on the bunny, and I'm going to hot glue it and E6000 it down. Well, actually, I'm just going to hot glue it down. That. Uh-oh. Hot. I'm trying to position it so you don't see the black. And so you have that, the little mirror right here. And then we're going to take the 8-inch mirror out of the frame of the and we're going to pretty much do the same thing. And like I said, if you want to, you can secure this with E6000 so that you know it won't come off. And you have that. See? So easy, so easy. And so now what I want to do is embellish it. So I want to see how it works with the glass filler on the bow. I don't want all the pink covered up. I want the pink shining through. So I'm just going to put a little on it, and I'm not going to worry about the back. I'm just going to go from here over. That way the weight of it will go. The weight of it. I don't want it to do that. So if it does that, I have a solution for that as well. But let's try it out this way first. So get your mind by. Let me get a brush. Alright, so this is my brush. This seems like they right there. And I'm not going to put any in the stand up one with an easel. And like I said, I have something to combat the back side of this part. I don't think it's going to matter about on the bows itself. On the bows, I don't think it's going to matter. pink is still shining through. And then I am going to take the hot glue gun, and you know what? I think I'm gonna go all out. Instead of just giving it that, I think I'm gonna give her the actual rhinestone. And this is Totally Dazzled. Ooh. Some that I bought on my purchased on my own. And I'll show you what the crystal one looks like. The lost crystal. I don't know, I might like that better. What you think? My other daughter was over here for Valentine's Day. She wanted me to help her make the children some Valentine's Day basket, and she had my things right here. And all I did was took off the little back piece that fits on the back of the brooch. Okay, so now I need to combat the bows falling down. So how we're going to do that, get our popsicle stick. And we are going to take it from side to side. And I think I'm going to put two together. So I just did this, guys. You see? That held it up. I'm thinking, guys, I don't know if I want to add some more bling to her. I don't know if I want to give her some bling ears or not. Alright, guys. So here she is. I don't know. I think she needs some bling on her ears, guys. I think that's gonna be, you know, we bling girls here, so we got to bling her out. We can't let her go like that. She got to have some bling somewhere else. So we're gonna bling her ears out. Alright, guys, so here's the finished product. She has her bling ears on. She got her bling and rhinestone lady bow tie. You know, because we have bow ties on our shirts too. And she has a little mirror up at the top and a big mirror at the bottom. And like I said, you can even make this a if you like it, like if you like bold and different things, you can even make this a stand-up vanity mirror. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.